Ano lang ba ang maituturing na legal na pagsasama?
Alam mo, pag Filipino citizen ka, ah, malinaw ang definition ng marriage sa family code. No? It is a union between a man, permanent union between a man and a woman. Nakalagay doon, man and woman. So, hindi pwedeng same-sex marriage. Nakalagay rin, permanent union, ibig sabihin, walang divorce sa Pilipinas. So, kung nag-asawa ka abroad at ikaw you're still covered by Philippine law regardless of where you got married. Kunyari, ang situation parehong single, nag-asawa abroad, pwede yun. The marriage will be recognized in the Philippines as long as i-record yung marriage sa civil registry.
Paano kung hindi naka-record, attorney? Kinasal, for example, sa Hong Kong pero hindi na-record sa civil registry.
Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi valid ang marriage. The marriage is still valid but it still has to be recorded. Hindi lang na-record sa civil registry. Ano ibig sabihin nun? That means kung nag-asawa ka abroad at nagkaroon ka ng mga anak, legitimate ang mga anak mo because you are legally married. Hindi lang na-record.
Sa isang senaryo naman, attorney, kasi I know some people na ganito ang naging problema, no? Married sila sa Pilipinas, pero siyempre hiwalay na. So they decide, na meron na sila mga kani-kanila mga partners, so nagpakasal sila, for example, sa Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Kahit kasal sila sa Pilipinas nang hindi pa annulled.
Yeah.
Nagpakasal sila sa Hong Kong. Anong ibig sabihin nun?
Bigamy.
Aha.
Kasi if you are Filipino nga, we are the only country in the whole world, kasama ang Vatican, no? Vatican lang ang Pilipinas, na walang divorce. So pag Filipino ka, and you get a divorce in Hong Kong, no? And you get married in Hong Kong, hindi valid yung divorce na yan. Bigamos pa rin ang marriage. You're still married under Philippine law. Yun ang hindi
Kahit na, no,
naintindihan.
attorney, kahit di na kayo nagkakasundo, nagbubugbugan na kayong mag-asawa, kumbaga may kanya na kayong mga partners, pero hindi pa kayo annulled but then you decide to get married in another country, hindi re-recognize yun?
Hindi rin i-recognize yung marriage na yan. Kasi ang rule is, if you are Filipino, your law follows you wherever you go. Isipin mo parang yung Philippine law, parang backpack, no? Naka-backpack ka everywhere you go, kasama yung Philippine law mo. So, pupunta ka ng States, magkukuha ka ng divorce sa States, valid ba yan? Hindi, void.
What
Can you
if?
get married again? Bigamos ang marriage. Pwede kang kasuhan dito sa Pilipinas ng bigamy.
Attorney, what if the first marriage was done in another country where there is divorce? Hindi sa Pilipinas, ha? Unang marriage in a country like the US na may divorce,
Yes.
but they never got divorced. And then, they married naman in Hong Kong. Baliktad naman. Ano doon ang binding? Yung sa first pa rin?
Ang pinaka root, ang dapat tignan is citizenship, hindi yung country where you got married. What is important is, are you a Filipino citizen? If you are a Filipino citizen, then you are covered by Philippine law. Okay? And Philippine law does not recognize foreign divorces. The only situation na nire-recognize ng Philippine law ang foreign divorce is kung ang Pinoy married to a foreigner. If the Filipino is married to a foreigner at yung foreigner ay nag-secure ng divorce, yun lang ang rene-recognize under Philippine law. For the simple reason that you cannot be married to somebody who is no longer married to you. Diba?
So,
Pero
meaning,
kung dalawang Pilipino na nag-divorce abroad, nag-marry abroad, Pilipino yan, parehong void ang marriage nila because they're still married to each other. Dapat kumuha muna ng annulment sa Pilipinas.